If you're looking for an e-commerce product that could be your next big winner, this might be it. It taps into a fast-growing trend, the profit margin is solid, and the best part is almost nobody is selling it yet. So this could easily be your next 10K product. So the product that I'm talking about is the Tallow Zinc Sunstick. This product is appealing because it solves the biggest problem with chemical sunscreens. All those harsh ingredients that nobody could even pronounce. Instead, this product is a natural upgrade that TikTok is already obsessed with. It's made with organic grass-fed tallow, non-nano zinc oxide, raspberry seed oil, it has a refreshing sweet mint scent, and absolutely zero synthetic junk. Basically, it's an old school tallow meets modern sun care. It feels premium, it looks luxe, and the best part is it actually works. Plus it has a mass appeal, so literally anyone can use it. That means the market is wide open. Now let's talk about why this thing is blowing up. The sun care product market is massive. It's worth over $5 billion. And right now, people are ditching their chemical sunscreens and hunting for natural alternatives. On Amazon alone, Sunsticks have pulled in over $3.7 million in sales in just the last 30 days. And here's the crazy part. The top 5 sellers took home 73% of that sales. So what does that tell you? The demand is there. And the competition is still wide open. If you move early, you can even catch this wave before the big brands step in. Alright, so now that we know this is a great product and it has a huge market, the next step is where most people get stuck. Sourcing the product, packaging, and fulfillment. All the boring stuff that usually kills the excitement of starting an e-commerce brand. But the good news is I've come across a US-based supplier that makes selling this super easy, and it's called Beauty Boss. They let you put your own brand on the product, and then they handle everything behind the scenes, from production to shipping straight to your customers. And in case you're wondering if they're legit, Beauty Boss is run by the same team behind Shine-On, which is a print-on-demand company that generated over $400 million in sales. So there's no question that they definitely know what they're doing. And one of the biggest benefits of working with them is that you never even have to touch the inventory. And you also get to leverage the AI-powered professional markup system, so your store looks legit from day one. And in terms of profit margins, they are seriously good. The wholesale cost for this is about $12.40. And if you sell the 2-pack for $33, you're keeping nearly 70% margins. So instead of stressing about the operations, all you need to do is to focus on making sales, while Beauty Boss can do the rest of the heavy lifting. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check them out yourself. Now that the product and the fulfillment side are all handled, let's get into the fun part. How do you actually sell it? One of the easiest way is through a TikTok shop. You don't need to run any ads, and you don't even need followers. You can just set up TikTok shop as a seller, list the products, and you could partner with affiliates so they can start promoting the product for you. They create the content, they drive the traffic, and you only have to pay them when they make a sale. So it's basically risk-free for you. And what makes this even better is that beauty and skincare is actually the #1 selling category on TikTok shop. So that means you're not trying to convince people to buy, you're stepping right into a market with huge demand. The advantage you get with Beauty Boss is that since your profit margins are so high, you can offer the affiliates a commission that really stands out. You can do 30 or even 40% compared to the typical 10 to 20% for most sellers. That makes your product way more attractive for them to want to promote. And if you want, you can also create your own content on TikTok. You can show the product in action, like how to apply it, or you can talk about the clean, natural ingredients. That's the kind of authentic content that's been taken off right now in natural skincare on TikTok. And because the product has such a broad appeal, it speaks to a wide audience, which makes scaling a lot easier once you start selling. And that's why I think this Tallow Zinc Sunstick could be your next big win. It's trending, it has a high profit margins, and thanks to Beauty Boss, selling a product like this has never been easier. I'll leave the direct link to Beauty Boss in the description below. It's a platform that I personally recommend if you want to launch with this product. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video.